Good day. Today's recording is to know the number of responses that we got for our class. We used a Google form to update or get attendance so that when the students fill in, we know how many of them attended that particular session or watched that particular video. So I'm in the Google Forms homepage in my login where I created my Google form for attendance. So that was for 23rd June marketing class. So I click on this, get into this particular form. So I see here two tabs, questions and responses. The responses tab is the one which we used to tell like how many responses we got. So for this particular class on June 23rd, marketing management, there were 203 responses. But now I want to know more in detail how many students from each class attended. So let me click on this. So I can see a green tab which says view responses in sheets. In case if you want to directly download it and see in Google Sheets also, you can click on this. But now I want to have it as an Excel file in my own system because some of them will not be comfortable in Google Sheets. If you're comfortable with Google Sheets, you can proceed with that. I'll show you in the Excel with my desktop. So I click on this 3 point, download responses. So I click here. Since the responses is 203, it is been downloading as a zip file since the numbers are quite big. Else it will automatically get downloaded as a normal file. I have downloaded and kept already in my desktop. So this is the file which was downloaded. So all the 203 responses are recorded here. Now we had a question in our Google form, what is your class and section? So the students have given answers for it. Since that was a required question, a mandatory question, everyone has given answers. None of them were able to skip that particular question. Now, to be more specific, I want to know how many students across each section attended the class. How many in A, how many in B, how many in C section. So, let me go to this particular first row. When I take my mouse pointer, it shows me a thick black headed arrow. When I click this and go to data, come to data, and then on the filter, if I'm going to select, immediately I'll be able to see a down headed arrow across all the fields. Now, getting into this, let me select that. Now, first I want to know how many in A section attended. So I'm not going to select all, I'm going to select second year A section. Click OK. OK. Now, the very simple way to know how many A section students were there is, so take your mouse pointer to the top of this particular column. Again, you see a black headed arrow. Press, select this. When you select, obviously all this rows in this particular column will get selected. You can see here count is 66. This 66 number will include also this first heading class with section. So 65 students of second year A section have attended this particular class. Now I want to see how many in B section. Again the same way, I'm clicking here. So if I see the count is 71 here, again the 71 includes the header here. So 70 students have attended the class. Similarly, C section. So when I select C section, see we can see 69 has attended the class, which includes the header. So 68 students have attended this particular class. This is the most simple way of finding out how many students across each section have attended the class. I hope with this numbers you'll be able to calculate also the attendance percentage. Thank you.